Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnette and you are tuned into Cooking with Winn. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I dry my turkey at home. So I have my turkey over here. For my seasoning today, I have my chicken flavor bouillon, my garlic powder, my mozzarella chicken seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, cayenne pepper, adobo or purple seasoning, and seasoning salt. You can use whatever seasoning you have at home, or you can put your favorite seasonings together and rub it on your turkey, okay? So I have habanero pepper here. I'm gonna be blending it and mixing it with my turkey to dry it. The habanero pepper is optional. If you don't want to use habanero pepper, you can just use your favorite seasoning on your turkey and you're gonna be just fine. Alright, so for your turkey, you want to go ahead and cut your turkey into pieces before drying them. You don't have to be fancy with your cut. You can just cut it however. You can dry your chicken the same way, or you can leave your chicken whole and dry them. For the chicken, it's easier to leave it whole and dry it, but the turkey, because it's too big or because it's huge, I prefer cutting it into pieces and drying it. Get ready guys, because it's gonna make your counter really messy, but you're gonna clean it after, so no worries. This, I'm gonna cut it one more time here. So for all my turkey lovers, you want to do this. Grab your turkey in the store right now while it's still available. Alright, so this piece is fine. I'll just leave it like this and dry it. And this piece is fine as well. So guys, while you're cutting your turkey, go ahead and turn your oven on to 400 Fahrenheit. You want it to be on right now so it can be heating up. And once you're done cutting your turkey, it can be all ready. So guys, that's basically how you want to cut your turkey. I'll be cutting the rest of my turkey off camera, and once I'm done, I'll show you guys the next step. So this is the turkey after cutting it, right? And I have the rest of it in here. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and wash these, and then I'll be seasoning them. Alright, so my chicken is all clean. Now it's time to season your chicken. Like I said earlier, use your favorite season. You don't have to use a specific season, okay? I had to put the turkey or split the turkey into two separate bowls so I can be able to mix it well when I season it. So I have my adobo or purple seasoning. I'll be adding it to my turkey. And I'll be adding cayenne pepper. I'll be adding some black pepper. So guys, if you don't want to dry your turkey with seasoning, you can always dry your turkey without the seasoning, okay? You don't have to add seasoning to your turkey before drying it. So I'll be adding some garlic powder. Onion powder. Some chicken flavor bouillon. Some mozzarella chicken seasoning. So I'll be adding a little bit of seasoned salt. And just go. If you're gonna be making a dry turkey with habanero pepper, blend it all the way like you're making smoothie, okay? You just wanna sprinkle it on this. So I'm just gonna mix these. You can either season your turkey and keep it overnight, and let it marinate, or you can season it, keep it a couple of hours before drying it, or you can just season it and dry it right away. So now this is all mixed in with the seasoning and the pepper. I'll be mixing the other bowl. This is the important part. To dry your turkey, you want to dry it on a rack. And if you're drying it on a rack, you need the rack to sit over something so the grease from the turkey can drip into the pan or the sheet pan, whatever you're using to hold your rack. Because if the grease from the turkey drip into your oven, it's gonna start smoking and your fire alarm gonna go off, and you don't want that to happen. So use a rack and a sheet pan, or use a rack and aluminum pan. So I have a rack sitting in my aluminum pan just like this. It might not fit, but just like try to open the pan so the rack can fit in it. Another thing you can do, you can use your oven rack to dry your turkey. But if you're gonna use your oven rack, you need to set a pan directly under the turkey. I will just spray the rack a little bit so my turkey don't stick on the rack. When you're using a sheet pan, you can add aluminum foil in the pan to hold the grease, but I'm not doing that. So take your turkey, lay it down. So that's my first batch, and this is the second batch. So I'm gonna just wait for these to dry, and then I'll do this. You see the amount of grease that's sitting under? So you just wanna go ahead and turn this around. So basically you wanna keep turning your turkey around until both sides are completely dry. So guys, this is my first batch of dry turkey. This is how my turkey looks. So this is the turkey when it's raw, and this is the turkey when it's dry. I'll take this to the oven and let it dry, and once it's ready, I'll show you guys the final product. So guys, this is my dry turkey. This is my final product. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment if you have any question or concern. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.